Friends, before starting the video, I want to warn you that if you join any company before doing any investigation about that company, we do not advise you to invest money in any company. If there is any kind of cheating, loss or gain, Digital Rozgar will not contribute to it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's plan is coming in front of you with unique concept. Friends, one thing which is most important of the company, it's a coin. This coin can you use Amazon, Paytm, these app used by everyone. So guys, join this company for taking advantages. Name of the company is Pearl Wine. This is introducing coin, mini decentralized coin. Name is PVIT token. Its price is very less. Friends, as you hear about Bitcoin, its price is starting very low, but today its high value like 37 lakh rupees. Friends, similarly this working on blockchain. It is decentralized token that don't delay. Let's see the plan, which I am telling to you. Its name is PVIT token. Friends, this is a smart contract. It can't be changed. Means that this is immutable and deterministic. Now I'll tell you about its features. After developing this program, this project can't change. It's most reliable. One more important thing is that no control of any organizations or person. It is executed in a cheapest way. Now we know TRC20 token. It is a blockchain based project like Bitcoin, Ether, etc. It can be hold, send and receive more income. Now I'll tell you about PVIT. It is an TRC20 based crypto project. You can add in Paytm and Amazon. Now I'll tell you about core of PVIT. This is a secure platform, open source contract. Users can take direct benefits and ROI. Now you can see on the screen maximum supply of this 25 crore tokens. Basic price of this 15 cent. It work upon technology stack TRC20. Now see its business plan. Investor have to invest only 600 TRX. You can gain per direct income is 500 TRX. You can see chart. If 2 direct come in your down with 600 TRX package, then 1000 TRX is your turnover, and in which your ID will be upgraded by 900 TRX. In 600 TRX packages, 100 TRX will goes for 10 level income. Similarly, 4 member come in your down with 900 TRX packages, then your turnover will be 3600 TRX. Your ID will be upgraded by 3000 TRX. Your 600 TRX is your benefit. All packages you can see in your downline members will become, then you can take more benefits. Total benefit in this 1,63,84,000 TRX. Nextly, I am talking about level income. I told you to above that 100 TRX from each joining will be distributed in 10 level. Like in the level first is 10 TRX and in level second is 10 TRX, and similarly its process will be continued, then total 10 level income is 100 TRX. Nextly, I am talking about smart pool matrix, in which globally members come in your down, then you can also get income. If you will invest 1000 TRX and 3 members come in your down with 1000 TRX, then you can gain income 3000 TRX, in which your ID will be upgraded by 2000 TRX. Your profit is 1000 TRX. Similar, 9 member will become in your down with 2000 TRX. The investor will get profit 18,000 TRX. Your total profit is 19,000 TRX. Friends, if you want to invest 3,000 TRX, then you will get better like 57,000 TRX. Investor can invest 9,000 TRX, then investor will gain income is 1,71,000. Friends, if you want to get income 5,13,000 TRX, then you have to invest 27,000 TRX. User can invest 81,000 TRX. Your benefit is 15,39,000 TRX. You want to get more profit like 46,17,000, then you have to invest 2,23,000 TRX. Now I'll tell you how to store mean. User have to install wallet. Then you have to visit Play Store, App Store and another one. After that, install your wallet like Trust Wallet. Furthermore, open Dev app browser in your application. Then you can register and invest. Friends, I think everyone have golden opportunity. Because of this coin can have Paytm app and Amazon app. So don't delay, hurry up for joining. Call and WhatsApp number I'll provide in description box. Similarly, we meet in next video with new MLM plan. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys.